I'm back here with a look at Rndr. Looks like we have the market turning bullish here. All right, we got a lot of cryptos getting through some major key areas here. Here's your top 100 for the day. Not too bad out there, right? I think what do we got? One red, one white down here. Let's see where Rndr is at. Right there, number 45. $2.10 billion market cap, 90.52 million in volume last 24 hours. Pretty decent. Rank number 45, up 5.1% for the day. Right, pretty decent right down here. Everything. 90. There's another red one. We got 98 out of 100, or in the green. Looking pretty decent out there today, right? We have Bitcoin making a run here. Looks like it's heading up to about 118. All right, let's get this off here. There we go. All right, and it's made it up through some key areas here. Looks like that's the next target. If you put a Fibonacci on this, puts you right up towards 118. Looking very, very good. Oh, good. ApeCoin making the alarm went off there. And an ApeCoin long and a Filecoin long over there in Discord. And Ollie put out a Avalanche long. Yeah, that's some nice trades over there in Discord today. Did a 4x last night on Fortcoin. If you want to come over and join our Discord, it's a level 3 membership in the description of the video. We do alright over there. There it is. 423%. Percent is right there. Last night, June 9th, 4x on Fortcoin. Alright, so the other day we won 6 out of 7, then lost a couple, then won 2 yesterday, Bitcoin and something else, and looks like possibly 2 winners today. So doing alright, not too bad. You also get 10 hours of videos with that level 3 membership to go along with it. Alright, now if we come back over here and take a look at Rndr here, we had this wedge that broke down, right? Let's take a measurement of this wedge. Alright, put it on the breakdown, and that puts us down in that area, right? Looks like a definitely looks like a bottom. Had 5 waves down here, right through here, ended up right in this area here. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, that should mark a bottom. And now we have now we're working up through the Fibonacci levels right up through here. All right, I'm gonna put a fib on here, and that'll give us our next target area. Right here is our levels. We are through the danger area right through here, 618, 702. Actually, this whole area, 786. You can get a rejection at too, but this whole area right here, we're poking up through there. Should be heading up towards $4.58. It should be the next target. And it also looks like we are starting a 1, 2, this looks like a third wave starting here, 4, 5, all right, something like that. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you it's definitely going to go up here. This is my opinion. Do your own research with that stuff, but we look at the RSIs, like the bigger ones, the daily. Let's take a look at it. We're getting a really bad storm where I'm at right now. Flash flood warnings, everything else. The daily is heading to the upside. It looks fantastic, right? Your weekly is coming down, but it is trying to turn back up. It's at a 52 and a 61. Let's get this off here so we can see what's going on here, right? There we go, 52 and a 61. Have an overhead resistance. That when that Bitcoin dominance drops, guys, that's when this is really going to be a lot of fun. I'm telling you, man, hang in there, hang in there. And then our monthly, look at that, beautiful, a 7 and a 4. That absolutely looks beautiful. That tells you that the next month, 2 months is going to be should be pretty awesome, right? Rndr, the last time the monthly was at the bottom, look what happened. We ran up to 1363 from 36 cents. right? Not saying it's going to do that now, but if you take a fib and put it on here. Oh, there's something else I want to bring up. I am a small YouTuber, guys. I don't make a pile of money off this stuff, right? I have 180 members in Discord, but the level 3 membership, like 180 members, but I don't get the full $15 off that, right? They take taxes out of it immediately, and YouTube gets their cut. So I'm lucky to get half that, but I started to buy me a coffee a few months ago, really. It's buymeacoffee.com/CryptoBlocks. If you feel like supporting me in any way, you can donate $1, whatever you want. You can become a monthly supporter, whatever. Someone hopefully will donate me a few $1,000,000 so I can just kick back and invest in crypto and retire. That'd be great. So how about it? I'm totally joking. That would be pretty awesome, though, wouldn't it? Anyway, back over here in Rndr. Let's see here. If we take a fib and put it on here, let's get this off here. Just get an idea, right? Retracement levels. That's what you're looking for, really, when you're looking at especially once Bitcoin dominance starts crashing, which it's getting there. It's really getting there. 618,702. That's your normal retracements. Normal stuff, right? Normal areas that you come back to. When you have a high, then you run down. Normally you come back up, retracement levels, then roll over for a bear market, right? Or you come up here and you break through that and you set a new high, right? It just all depends what happens. If it does get up through here, right, your normal retracement would be 937 to 1030. That'd be normal, right? Or maybe over the next few months we get up there. If it would break up through them areas, then you're looking at $20.53 as a 1618. And I'm not saying this at all, but a full blown bull run, $50 is very possible, and that happens. Go over on other tokens, go back here. It doesn't go back. This chart don't go back there the whole way, but I've seen full extensions before. Perfectly normal. 4.236 extensions. Does it a lot in the stock market. Does a lot in crypto, right? But you have to have a full-blown bull run. I think that Bitcoin's going to probably hit about 130,000, maybe fizzle out, and the altcoins are going to have their run, right? That's when we're going to have our alt season, and that's when these things are really going to start ripping. But in the meantime, we break this down and go down to smaller time frames. Like I said, I'd be looking up towards 448 to 459 as your next area, and that's off these fib levels right here. Like I said, we're up through that area. We'll leave this on here and see how we do when we come back. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it very, very much. Come over and sign up for that level 3 membership and join us over in Discord. Got a lot of great traders in there. So have a great day, everybody.